Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I'm going to show you some acoustic chords to Can't Buy Me Love by the Beatles. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we're going to start the song with an E minor chord. We'll go to an A minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, G, and then to C7. So here's the intro. Can't buy me love, can't buy me love, to the C7, and then you start into the song. Now that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, like that. So it's like that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So that intro again is E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, G. And now we'll go to the verses. Now for the verses, we're going to play a C7 shape like this. And we're going to move that chord up the neck to an F7. Now in order to make that chord sound right, I've got to keep that high E string out of it because it sounds like this. See? So I've got my finger against that when I strum. Right? And I can move that up to a G7 like that. We're forming that C7 by putting our fingers on a regular C chord like that, and then bringing in the little finger to the G string at fret 3. Okay? We went up the neck to fret 6 with the index finger for our F7. And as I said, we got to mute that high E string. We're going to go to G7 by going up 2 more frets. Okay? And we're going to play it this way. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Now we can also use a G7 this way and then an F7 this way if you want to use a bar chord, or if you can do a bar chord. And that's barring all the strings at fret 3 for the G7 and a finger here at fret 5 on the A string and fret 4 on the G string, strumming all the way across. We'll bring that down by 2 frets for an F7. So we have 2 choices on the chords. We can move this chord up the neck, or we can play the bar chords down here. If we play the ones where we're moving up the neck, they'll sound like this. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. Move it up. I'll give you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. Now if we use the bar chords, it'll sound like this. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. I'll give you anything, my friend, if it makes much for money. Money can't buy me love. Okay, now you can choose which chord will be better for you. Now here's how we'll play the chorus. E minor, A minor, C7, E minor, A minor, D minor, G. Then we'll go back to our C7. So for the chorus, we're playing Can't Buy Me Love. Everybody tells me so. Can't buy me love. No, 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 no. I give you all I got to give. So we're back to our C. Now for the ending, we'll do the same thing as we did for the intro. Can't buy me love. And my friends, that's all we need to know in order to play Can't Buy Me Love on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Can't buy me love.